In this world, I think it has never been a downside to be compassionate and strong, to be peaceful and strong. And this is why we think the martial art fits good, because after all, we are nowadays very lucky to have this heritage of the Shaolin tradition, which is thanks to the warrior monks.
Shi Heng Yi teaches that clarity comes from stillness. When you are in pain, your mind becomes noisy. Fear speaks, doubt speaks, frustration speaks. But if you slow your breathing and return to internal awareness, you create space to watch these emotions rather than drown in them. Pain often hides the real issue: fear of losing control, fear of the unknown, or fear of change. By observing your inner world, you begin to see that the pain itself is rarely the true problem. It is your resistance to it.
You can only fix a problem if you know where the problem is located. So the more you are aware of yourself, the deeper you can actually start to readjust something that you realize this is not how it's supposed to be. And this is why in the martial art it is body awareness, building this up. Body awareness and mind-body connection. Your body is supposed to deliver what the mind tells your body to do. So if your mind says left, you can't make this. So there must be really this direct connection. I think left, it's left. I think right, it's right. I want to be front, I am front. This is why I think movement is key, especially for nowadays society where anyway everybody is spending too much with mind activity. And this is not why you have been created with arms and legs and all of these things.
He reminds us that wisdom grows in silence. When you stop running from pain and sit with it, you discover that it has something to teach you. Let go of what is no longer serving you, accept what you cannot change, and transform what you can. Before we begin Shi Heng Yi's Qigong practice to release stress and anxiety, let's take a moment to prepare our minds.
Left hand on the right elbow, then arm. Inside, out, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Switch. Right palm here, left. Then look. I go in, under the arm, under, on top, out. On top, back, 1. Yeah. 1, back. 2, back. 3, 4, 5.
This movement is not just physical, it is energetic. You are opening your chest, not just to oxygen, but to courage, to love, to the energy of life. With every inhale, you feed your body. With every exhale, you release tension.
20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Then squat. Squat down. Squat down. Elbows inside the knees. Push a little bit out. Try to keep the heels on the floor. Here. Move a bit, feel inside. Loosen up the area.
Visualize warm energy flowing from your chest down to your center. Feel your whole body strong, balanced, and calm.
Now, from here, try to keep one foot down, the other leg, the left one, push out. Here, hold the balance. Okay, then inhale, stand up. Inhale. Exhale, sink. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In. Out. 1, 2, 3.
Your chest is not just muscle, it is the gateway to breath, to spirit, to emotional strength. Strengthening it through Qigong doesn't mean tension. It means resilience. Soft, yet powerful. Open, yet protected.
9. One more. 10. Relax. Jump. Hip rotate. Other direction. Okay, good. Now right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow. Lift the knee up. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Only the right leg. Only one side here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step in, up, back. In, up, down, back. 1, 2,
It builds strength from the center inside your heart, your lungs,
4.
your breath.
Step in, lift up, elbow, you can touch here if you like, then down and back again, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch side. Left elbow, left knee. Again, step in, lift up, down, back. 1, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay.